Hey guys, Tech with Ty here with another video. Today we're going to be going over how to build a scripting bot with Python, PyCharm, and Anaconda so we can automatically buy it well set up after items online, specifically in this case the Telfar Bag. They just recently had a big drop of handbags. Everybody wanted their hands on them, so I figured this would be a good video to make. Let's get to it.
Go get that bag, it's groceries outside. Go get that bag, is that DoorDash? Go get that bag, get up off your ass. Go get that bag, go get.
Hey guys, Tech with Ty here, and today we're going to be going over what we've accomplished and what other steps we can do to enhance this application that we wrote. So first off, these are all the imports that we imported throughout our project, all of our libraries. This opens Chrome through the WebDriver. This is implicit wait. It waits 10 seconds for these items to show up. These are variables that have different states of items that we can purchase. So this is an out-of-stock item, this is a pre-order item, and this is a coming soon item. We could detect the state of the item by reading the text, and we could pull from the Telfar website or Twitter to see which items are coming out and if we should get them or not. We can do that in a later video with pandas and beautiful soup. So here we do wd.get pre-order. So we're opening up this website. This is a function, another implicit wait. We wait 5 seconds before. If this doesn't show up by then we try to find this item. The reason that we add that is because the element might not be accessible at that time that we open it. So we have two functions here, get by ID and get by class name. One of them finds the item by ID, takes an ID parameter, and finds it by ID. If it can't find it by ID, it says an exception occurred, could not find the ID. Here's a class, get by class name, finds a element by the class name, and if it can't, it prints the class name. An exception occurred, couldn't find class param. And we also have a get by name that we were using for the iframes, to find them, but I don't think we're using that in this application anymore. We're just using ID. So here's another variable. It's finding this element with the ID of add to cart and saving it to this. We're waiting 5 seconds and then we're clicking it. I guess we could make that into another function if you wanted to, but that's basically what these functions are: finding an element with the ID of view cart, waiting 5 seconds and then clicking it, and so on. Let me see here. Okay. Alright, and then we're doing the same thing for these. These are all variables or elements that we're finding in a form. This is our shipping information form. Here's another function. Takes in two parameters, which we pass in. So here we're passing that one parameter in. So ID is we're passing that through this function, and we're passing that into this try except, which finds it. Okay. We have a function called type and field that takes in two parameters, form ID and message. It clears the form just in case there's something there, and then it types it. This is start typing in it, and this is sending the keys to it. This is another type and field to mimic a more human approach. It sends it slowly, 1 second between each character. This is a for loop. So the message we pass in is a type of array that we loop through each letter, and each letter is a character, and that character is sent each loop to the fields. Okay, so here we're filling out our shipping information, and then we're clicking the continue button. In all actuality, for all the click items, we should make a function and add an implicit wait so it doesn't crash. Getting to these two variables by ID again, doing a try except. We're trying to click this if it's available. If it's not available, we click that. See here, we're clicking the continue button again. This is just commenting out code. We had to actually get the iframes by the number and array that they were in because it changes every time. We could look for a class name by the beginning of this, but we've already finished the application that works for this website. Okay, and this is find and fill. This is finding the iframe, and it's finding the frame, not the frame, the field that you want to fill in with data. So this is the frame, the field, and the data. We're switching to the default content, so we're not stuck inside of a frame already. Waiting 5 seconds. Try to switch to the iframe with the number and the array. Temp field equals the field that we passed in through here, and we're typing and filling into it. We're typing slow and filling into it because it's credit card information. It might be flagged as a bot, and if that doesn't work, we say we can't find the number of the iframe. So boom, find and fill. Passing all that information into the forms. Switch it back to the default content. Find this by ID. Wait 2 seconds. Then click. Wait 2 seconds. Then continue. So with all that, this is our credit card, fake name, fake date, and fake CV. So with all that, this should work. Let's take a look at it now. Let's actually run this. Okay. We should also driver quit when we get an error, so it's just not running when we can't find anything. And also we can just, like I said before, we can just check the state of the items, so we don't have to do extra stuff. If you guys want me to do that, I can do that in another video. Okay, so there we have it. There is our code. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.
Ty back here. Actually, I've noticed in the last video that I recorded that there was an issue with the credit card number not being input. So what I actually did is a quick fix. I tried using wait till element is available, wait till iframe is available to switch to it, but that wasn't working for me. So what I did is, if it fails and if it's the first field, which is the credit card field, we retry 5 times, and that has been working. So let's give it a shot. Seems to be working so far. Also, sorry about the audio in my other video. I just had to suppress some background noise. Sounds like it's better now. Um, Thank you guys for bearing with me while I figure out all the technical difficulties. So yeah, there we're inputting the credit card number. It stops after that because we only we stopped the other functions from running. Yeah, just wanted to quickly go over that. Thank you for watching, and check out the next series. Next week we're going to be talking about how to create NFTs with AI. If you want to watch stuff like that and are interested in stuff like that, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and have a great day.